Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're checking out the best foldable solar panels. Perfect for outdoor adventures, camping, or providing portable power on the go. These panels are compact, efficient, and a must-have for anyone looking to harness solar energy while off-grid. We'll review the top models, their key features, and why they're the ultimate portable energy solution. All product links are in the description below. If you're ready to take your power supply anywhere, let's get started. Number 5. Allpowers 100-watt solar panel. The Allpowers 100-watt solar panel stands out as a highly efficient, portable solar charger designed for outdoor adventures, RV use, and camping. With its foldable design, high efficiency, and IP66 waterproof rating, this solar panel provides a reliable power source for those on the go. Charge most solar generators. The Allpowers 100-watt solar panel is versatile and compatible with a wide range of solar generators, including the Allpowers Solar Generator Power Station, sold separately. The solar port allows faster charging speeds compared to traditional inverter input methods. It's also compatible with other portable power stations, making it a great choice for anyone seeking a reliable power source in the wild. Foldable and portable, weighing just 5.7 pounds and with a compact folded size of 25.6 inch by 20 inch by 1.2 inch. Number 4. Dokyo 160-watt 18-volt portable solar panel kit. The Dokyo 160-watt portable solar panel kit is a versatile and lightweight solar charging solution designed for outdoor adventures, emergency power, and off-grid living. Whether you're camping, RVing, or need backup power for your boat or car, this foldable solar panel offers a powerful, easy-to-transport option that fits seamlessly into various environments. Foldable and lightweight design. One of the standout features of this solar panel is its portability. Weighing just 9 pounds and measuring 20.9 inches by 19.3 inch by 1.1 inches when folded, it's incredibly compact for a 160-watt solar panel. Its thin, foldable design makes it easy to mount, transport, hang, or remove, ensuring that even when space is limited, you can bring solar power with you. Complete kit, ready to use. The Dokyo 160-watt solar panel kit is ready to work right out of the box. Number 3. Renogy 200-watt 12-volt portable solar panel. The Renogy 200-watt 12-volt portable solar panel is designed for outdoor enthusiasts and those seeking reliable off-grid power solutions. With its foldable design, advanced technology, and robust build, it's an excellent choice for RVing, camping, and any situation where portable power is a necessity. Complete plug-and-play kit. This solar kit comes as a complete, ready-to-use package. It includes a 200-watt solar suitcase, a 20-watt waterproof Voyager charge controller, and alligator clips for easy connection to 12-volt batteries. Number 2. Jackery SolarSaga 200-watt portable solar panel. The Jackery SolarSaga 200-watt portable solar panel is a cutting-edge solar solution designed for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and RV owners seeking reliable, portable, and fast solar power. With its high efficiency, advanced features, and rugged build, this solar panel ensures you stay powered up wherever your adventure takes you. Peak performance and high efficiency. The Jackery SolarSaga 200-watt panel features monocrystalline solar cells equipped with advanced IBC, interdigitated back contact technology. This combination allows the panel to reach an impressive conversion efficiency of 24.3%, outperforming standard PERC panels, especially in low light conditions. This means you'll be able to generate more power throughout the day, even during cloudy or low sunlight situations. Easy setup and portability. One of the standout features of the SolarSaga 200-watt is its easy setup. It can be fully deployed in just 10 seconds, making it ideal for quick stops during your journey. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy to carry around for camping trips, RV setups, or moving around your property. This portability, combined with its foldable design, makes it incredibly user-friendly for outdoor adventures. Maximum durability. Built to withstand the elements, the SolarSaga 200 watts is IP68 rated, meaning it's protected against dust and can endure being submerged in water for extended periods. Number 1. Vevor Portable 200 watts Monocrystalline Solar Panel. The Vevor 200 watts portable monocrystalline solar panel is a powerful and versatile solar charger designed to provide reliable energy on the go. With its lightweight design, high energy conversion rate, and weatherproof features, it is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and those looking for an off-grid power solution for camping, RVing, hiking, or emergencies. 200-watt high-efficiency power output. The Vevor solar panel delivers a 200 watts power output with a high energy conversion rate of over 23%, ensuring fast and efficient charging.
Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.